Okay, so this is a university problem. Okay, prepare the part programming for following component. Okay, this component will have to machine on the CNC machine. Okay, now what is the procedure? Okay, first of all, read the program. Okay, what is the dimensions of that workpiece? Okay, whatever the diameter, whatever the length of that workpiece. Okay, now here one chart is also we have prepared. Okay, what is the meaning of that chart? Okay, this chart is nothing but the whatever the direction of tool. Okay, direction of tool we have added here. Okay, now that will be useful for the directly program. Okay, directly program or I put program input. Okay, but till now we can start directly part program. Okay, because this is some errors are there. Okay, in that note. Okay, so we will take directly program also. Okay, so read the diagram. Okay, we have to remove the 50 mm diameter to the 30 mm diameter of distance 40 mm. Okay, this is our target. Okay, given in problem. Okay, so what are the basic important factors? Okay, for part programming. Okay, now miscellaneous functions are equal. Okay, first of all, start the spindle, coolant on, coolant off. Okay, again, what is the input method? Okay, input method for the metric or inches. Okay, whatever the measurement coordinate system. Okay, incremental or absolute. Okay, we generally use the absolute coordinate system because absolute coordinate system is nothing but distance measured from the origin. Okay, distance measured will be from the always from origin. Okay, so this is nothing but the part program. First column is nothing but block number. Okay, block number is nothing but the serial number of that step. Okay, step number or serial number of program. Second is nothing but part programming. Okay, or G code or M code, part programming. And last is program name. Okay, this is not required for the CNC machine. Okay, this is for the our only for our our understanding. Okay, now this is also required for examination. Okay, now part program is only block number and part program. Okay, but program name is we have written here over only for our understanding. Okay, but this is compulsory for question. Okay, now see here first column is nothing but the block number, is nothing but the sequence number or serial number. Okay, now second is nothing but part program. Okay, now we can give the block number as n1 to whatever the steps are there. Okay, generally we can start from the n10. Okay, n10, n20, n30, n40 block number. Okay, or n5 or n9 for the program number. Okay, we have given 0, 1, 2, 3 as a program name. Okay, now what is the first step? N10. Okay, this is number one block. First block N10 is giving G90, G71, and G95. Okay, these are the G code. Okay, what is the meaning of that G code? We have also written over here. Okay, G19 is nothing but the absolute coordinate system. Okay, absolute coordinate system is nothing but distance always from the origin. Okay, and incremental is nothing but distance from the last point. Okay, this is a well registered. G71 is nothing but the input in terms of matrix. Okay, input may be in metric or maybe in inches. Okay, but we have selected input as a metric. For that purpose, we have added G71 code. Okay, and G91 is also feed rate in terms of per revolution. Okay, feed rate is also per revolution. G95 is also for a minute also. Okay, in terms of revolution or in terms of time also we can give. Okay, only we have selected G95. Okay, now keep in mind all of you. Okay, program of each and every student may be different. Okay, because according to his knowledge. Okay, everyone's program will be different because मी पहिल्यांदा कोण coolant on करेल, कोण spindle on करेल, म्हणजे कोण directly metric unit देईल. Okay, this is there is no standard way. Okay, according to the knowledge or according to the designer, okay, they can change the step numbers. Okay, but sequence should be followed. Okay, म्हणजे काय असणार आहे आपण जर सुरुवातीला स्पिंडल ऑफ केला असता ऑन केला असता तर दॅट विल बी wastage of energy. Okay, before for giving the input like matrix, like absolute, whatever the coordinate system. Okay, this is standard way. Okay, so keep in mind the standard way should be there. Okay, but program may be different. Okay, from every student. Now G90, G71, G94, and semicolon is nothing but whatever the end of block. Okay, after semicolon or end of block, you can move towards step number 2. Okay, now step number 2 is nothing but N20, G74, X0, Z0. Okay, we have given the reference point or machine 0 point. Okay, G74 code is related to the machine 0. Okay, X0, Z0. We have defined the origin point for that particular object. Okay, ह्या object साठी काय केलं आपण X0 and Y0 we have defined here. Okay, कुठं X0 and Y0 we have defined here. Machine 0. Now according to that we have to transfer our point also. Okay, म्हणजे आपण कुठे दिला आहे point हा X0, Z0, machine 0. Okay, we have defined machine 0. Now we have to now next step is a tool change. Okay, tool change is required. Okay, which tool is also attached to that CNC machine? We don't know, or machine also don't know. Okay, for that purpose we have to change tool or whatever the confirm which tool is also attached here. Okay, for that purpose tool change we have part program we have added here M06. Okay, M06 is nothing but tool change. Okay, now which tool is required? Okay, T01. T01 is nothing but whatever the tool number. Okay, and D01 is also related to that tool. Okay, whatever the tool information T01 and 0 D0.1. Okay, this is also related to the tool change value. Okay, now again semicolon is nothing but end of block. Okay, again next program. Am I audible? Anyone? मी चालू आहे तिकडून पण पडायला. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ, so now next step is a N30. Okay, N40. After semicolon tool, after tool change. Okay, now again G97 constant speed control. The constant speed control is nothing but whatever the operation purpose. This is also important. Okay, constant speed control tool should be there. Okay, M03 is nothing but spindle on. Okay, whatever the speed is to 100 and 1200. Okay, we have given speed as 200, 1200. Okay, semicolon. Our program, sorry, our step is also stopped there. Okay, our next block N50, M08 is nothing but coolant oil. Okay, these are the basic information. Okay, म्हणजे जो आपण 6 प्रोग्राम फक्त बेसिक साठी घेऊन. Okay, operation आपण अजून सुरूच केलं. Okay, operation we have not started yet. Okay, now after coolant oil, our next step is a G00. Okay, G00 is nothing but rapid positioning. Okay, from the whatever the machine 0 we have given reference point. Okay, suppose this is our reference point. Okay, suppose X0, Y, Z0 is nothing but reference point. Okay, now we have to transfer our tool to point number 1. Okay, now we have to add here. Okay, now G00 or N60. Okay, for N60, G00, X30, Z10 rapid transfers. Okay, G00 is nothing but only transformation. Okay, there is no any cutting operation. Okay, but if you consider G01, there should be definitely cutting operation. Okay, so rapid transfer. Okay, G00 is nothing but X30, Z10. Okay, X30, Z10. X30 is nothing but see here, X30. X30 is nothing but whatever the diameter of that. Okay, they have given Z10 because they have transferred or they have facing. Okay, म्हणजे आपण काय केलं tool only move केला. Okay, we have reached at work 0. Okay, Z30 म्हणजे आपण ह्या bottom ला आलो इथे. Okay, कुठं आलो रे? Okay, we have at bottom of that tool. Okay, now we have to cut that problem. Okay, म्हणजे आपण कुठं असणार आहे? We have not yet cutted the whatever the job. म्हणजे आपण कुठं असणार आहे? इथं असणार. Okay. This material we have to remove. Okay, whatever that rectangle we have to remove. Okay, म्हणजे आपण इथे असणार. So, now next step is a rapid transformation we have taken as a reference point. Okay, now next Next is next step is nothing but the linear interpolation. Okay, interpolation is nothing but the we have to remove the material. Okay, म्हणजे आपण काय केलं रॅपिड ट्रान्सपोज केला टूल एक ठिकाणी आणून ठेवला. ओके नाव N70. ओके N70 G01 is nothing but the linear interpolation. Interpolation is nothing but the cut. म्हणजे आपल्याला आता we have to started the remove our material. Okay, now what is the removal rate? Okay, we are having at initial point of tool. Okay, we have to remove material from, okay, this material we have to remove. Okay, कुठलं material remove करायचं आपल्याला according to that material. Okay, म्हणजे हा rectangle जो असेल, okay, this rectangle we have to remove. Okay, in terms of turning operation. Okay, so what will be the direction? What will be the point? Okay, now suppose we are at the bottom of our horizontal point. Okay, reference point मी notes मध्ये लिहिलेलं नाही त्यामुळे दाखवता येत नाही मला. Okay. Okay, so this will be the reference point. Okay, now cut will be the x direction. Definitely we have to remove material. Okay, we have to remove material. If you see in diagram, okay, we have to remove material 550 to the 530. Okay, 550 to the 530 म्हणजे 50 मधला आपल्याला 30 ठेवायचं. Okay, for that purpose we have given x30. Okay, x30 and z is nothing but the horizontal distance 40. Okay, म्हणजे G01 x30 and z minus 40 म्हणजे हा पॉइंट आपला कुठला that will be material will be removed. Okay, this material will be removed. Okay, x30 will be remaining. Okay, now this is our target. Okay, N70 I think. Okay, N70 G01 x30 z minus 20 and feed rate is also given. Okay, feed rate is also important. Okay, feed rate is nothing but the whenever G1 will be there, definitely feed rate will be there. Okay, whenever G1 code will be there, definitely feed rate will be there. Okay, again, what is next step? What is next step? We have to remove material from x50 to z minus 40. Okay, now here x40. Now next step, N80. Okay, G01 x50 z minus 40. X50 is nothing but whatever the total dimension of that tool. Okay, and minus 40 is nothing but the whatever we have taken cut also here. Okay, linear interpolation we have taken. Okay, G01 x50 z minus 40. This is some difficult. X40. Okay, x40 is nothing but whatever the distance. Here we have. Presentation that I will use Jamboard in next lecture. Okay, आपल्याला next lecture Jamboard use करावा लागणार आहे. Yeah, I will try start the camera. Okay, काय करू? Camera start. I will solve problem on notebook. But this is difficult. Okay. Very huge. डायरेक्ट मोठा प्रॉब्लेम घेतला मग हा यायला लागला बरोबर का छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला काय वाटलं नाही बट वी कॅन टेक प्रॉब्लेम स्मॉल प्रॉब्लेम कसं प्रॉब्लेम कुठे यायला लागला आता बघा रे हाँ कैमरा हेलो this camera is visible hello
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
camera दिसतो ना okay 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 so we'll take a problem so what is the problem okay so this is material okay suppose this 50 I 50 okay okay 530 okay well this distance is one this is sorry 60 units 40 mm 160 mm okay this is a reference point x0 x0 z0 okay now we have to transpose our point here also now our tool is at here okay our tool is at here okay what is the location of this okay definitely z0 and x are the x30 why x30 because we are sorry 30 not 50 also there okay 50 is also there because we are on top position okay म्हणजे आपण इथून बघतोय वरून बघतोय okay हा so now what will the program म्हणजे that program म्हणजे आपल्याला प्रोग्राम लागला काय केलं आपण this step okay n10 n20 g74 m06 g97 m03 okay we have studied that okay now what is the next step okay important step is a linear interpolation okay linear interpolation means 7 step okay g01 x30 and j minus 4 okay x30 and j minus 4 okay x30 is nothing but whatever the this dimension okay x30 is nothing but whatever the this dimension okay and z minus 40 is nothing but the horizontal dimension okay this dimension this horizontal dimension is nothing but the z minus 40 okay we have to remove that material okay for that purpose we have added g70 g01 x30 z minus 40 okay filter also we have given a linear interpolation okay again same linear interpolation we have to make x50 and again we have to take we have to remain that material we have to remove आपण हे रिमूव्ह केलेला कुठला आता this one we have removed this one we have removed okay now what is the next interpolation point number 45 okay point 45 is nothing the gn18 okay g1 x50 and j minus म्हणजे काय केलं we have moved only tower okay only our we have moved okay there is no any field म्हणजे आपण काय केलं we have transferred to from point number 4 to point number 5 okay now again we will be the next step okay g01 x50 z minus 100 okay z minus 100 is what I have at bottom of that material okay जे आपण कुठून कुठे गेलोय इथं टूल आणला आपण पाहिजे okay minus 100 is nothing but the total distance okay minus 100 is nothing but the that total distance okay we have reached the point number 6 again okay again we have to जे आपल्याला हे इथून बाहेर घ्यायचं म्हणजे we have at number 6 only okay म्हणजे काय करायचं we have to transfer our tool from that material okay for the tool okay तर काय असणार आहे for that purpose was given interpolation okay what is the interpolation g1 x55 j minus 100 we have to at point 7 okay for that purpose that this is important how to disable we can say also huh? okay okay now what is the next dimension what is the next block 71 is m0 m04 spindle stop m09 colon and m30 MW. Okay this is a overall program okay see again okay see again what is the procedure of that program okay so In examination, they have given question. They have given question in terms of write the part program. Okay, write the part programming. Prepare the part program for following component. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to use the table. Okay. Now, how to write the table? The table is nothing but the tool movement. Okay. And according to that tool movement, we can use the interpolation. Okay. So, if you see here, okay, point number one. Okay, we have given point number one as a reference point. Okay, we have given point number one as a reference point. Okay. So, after point number one, what is the location of point number one? Okay, we don't know. Okay. But we have to define that location. Okay. Now we have to move from point number 1 to 2. Okay, what will the dimension? Okay, so x0 and z10. Okay, so this is our reference point. Okay, so this is our reference point. Okay, this is our reference point. Okay, we have take reference point to that. हे आपण reference point काय असेल resistance? Okay, definitely it will be here. म्हणजे आपण टॉप साइड न बघतोय. आता हा कुठून बघतो टॉप साइड न बघतो मिरर दिसतो. बट साइड न बघितलं आपल्याला that point will be here only. Okay, that point will be here only. Top side न बघितलं इथं दिसेल, side view न बघितलं तर इथं दिसेल. Okay, definitely for that purpose the x will be not moved. Perpendicular distance we have moved till. Okay, perpendicular distance we have not covered till then. Okay, or till now. For that purpose the z is nothing but 10. Okay, z is nothing but the 10 distance we have given. Okay, now this is nothing but 0.1. Okay, we have transferred from 0.1 to 2. Okay, now, what is the transformation? X0 because we have not moved vertically. For that purpose we have taken x0 and z is nothing but we have transferred the horizontal distance. Okay, 10 a. Okay, for that purpose we have taken the 10 as a positive. Positive म्हणजे आपण काय घेतलं ओनली रेफरन्स. दिस इज नथिंग बट बिफोर रेफरन्स म्हणजे हा रेफरन्स घ्यायच्या अगोदर घेतला आपण पॉझिटिव्ह घेतलेला. ओके, यू कॅन टेक -10 ऑल्सो हियर. ओके, म्हणजे आपण जर रेफरन्स पॉईंट इथे घेतला इथे तर तो मायनस असा टेकन reference point that due to that only each transformation distance they have taken as a positive. Okay, so now tool is at point number 2. Okay, tool is at point number 2. Is at point number 2. Okay, now what will be the distance? Okay, from point number 2 to point number 3. आपल्याला 2 नाही जाता point number 2 पासून point number 3 पर्यंत. Okay, now what will be the transformation? Okay, now here see here, tell me what will be the x distance? Again we have to view from the side view न बघितला आपण. हा टूल आपल्याला कुठे न्यायचा आहे? इथला टूल आपल्याला इथे न्यायचा आहे. ओव्हल डिस्टन्स वी हॅव टू ट्रान्सफर. हे टोटल डिस्टन्स आपल्याला मूव्ह करायचं. पण काय हे डिस्टन्स विल बी 30 and z will be 0 because no any horizontal distance. ओके, म्हणजे हॉरिझॉन्टल आपण टूल करतो का कुठं नाही. ओके, ड्यू टू दॅट only we have taken 30. Okay, only we have taken 30. Now our tool is at point number 3. Okay, we have reached that point number. From point number 3 to point number 4. Okay, what will be the distance? What will be the distance covered? Here the no any vertical distance, only horizontal distance will be covered. Okay, definitely for that we have taken after point 0 minus 40. Okay, 0 and minus 40. Again, 0.5 definitely vertical distance will be there. Okay, there will be z0, definitely z0, and whatever the x distance will be because we can take a overall distance. म्हणजे आपण हा बघतोय साइड व्ह्यू बघतो हा छोटा whatever we will on top view म्हणजे आपल्याला we have to cover all this distance. म्हणजे आपण काय करतोय 50 minus 40. Okay, 0 minus 40, sorry, 0 minus 40. Now at point number 5 आपण रीच झालो. Okay, now after point number 5 x definitely will be 50. Okay, x here the x is 50 and whatever the z will be from region unit we are always in absolute coordinate system. म्हणून आपण काय 0.0. Here 50 will be there x and distance will be covered and we will reach at number 6. Okay. So point number 5 to 6. What will be the distance? Point number 5 to 6. What will be the distance? Point number 5 to 6. 50 minus 8. Okay. We will at point number 6. Now, point number 5 to 6. Okay. Our transformation from point number 5 to 6. Definitely, point number 5 to 6, definitely x will be 50. Why? Because of overall distance 50. Okay, and j distance will be also minus 6 because we can add distance from origin because absolute measurement system. Increment after he 60 alas. Okay, but keep in mind we are always in absolute measurement. Okay, for that purpose we have taken 50 to minus 100. We have reached that point number 6. Okay, we have reached that point number 6. Again, आता इथून आपल्या इथं जायचं आहे. Okay, what will distance? Definitely there will be no any h distance. Okay, म्हणजे आता इथे 55 घेतलं त्यांनी बरोबर का? There will be 55. They have taken 55 is nothing but d. 50 ऍड केला. आपण काय केलं? We have removed a tool. Okay, आपण इथे नेला काय we have added 5 distance. Okay, because 5 is nothing but the x distance will be sorry this will be we are at point number 6. Okay, again point number 2 that 55.5 म्हणजे आपण इथे कुठे आलो इथे कुठेतरी आलो ना आपण मशीन फॉर्म. ओके, दिस विल बी द प्रोसिजर ऑफ टेबल. ओके, मला ते लक्षात आलं नसावं असं तुमच्या. Again we will try to read the program. Okay, now how to write that table. Okay, म्हणजे काय करायचं म्हणजे सिंपल आहे. हे आपण टूल मूव्ह करायचं. समजा our tool is here. Okay, point number 1. Number 2, point number 3. म्हणजे we have to transfer our tool on that point. Okay, for that purpose we have to look. Okay, am I audible? दिसतंय का स्क्रीन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. हाँ. Now बघा आता point number 1. Okay, point number 1 to point number 2 काय असणार आहे? 0 10 is nothing but this distance. Okay, distance. Okay, definitely this distance. Point number 1. Now point number 2. Okay, point number 1 to 2 हे पॉइंट घ्यायचे आपल्याला. 1 to 2 हे पॉइंट घ्यायचे. Okay. आता 1 to 2 जात असताना only central distribution. For that purpose we can only j. Okay. Now we have to move our tool from 2 number to 3 number. Okay, 2 number to 3 number. Okay. What is 2 number to 3 number? 30. 0. Why 30 we have taken? Because we have transferred the 30 distance. Okay, म्हणजे आपण टॉप व्ह्यू बघू. Okay, top view हे टोटल डिस्टन्स आपण बघू. Okay, this is 30 distance we have covered. Okay, for that purpose the x distance will be 30 and z distance be 0. Why? Distance. Point number 3 to 4. Okay, point number 3 to 4. Okay, definitely x0. Why? Because of no any vertical distance. Okay, only the horizontal distance we have taken. Wait. हाँ. Okay. पॉईंट नंबर कुठं होतो आपण, पॉईंट नंबर 3. Move a tool from point number 3 to 4. Okay, point number 3 to 4. Okay, definitely x will be 0 because no any vertical distance, and y will be minus 40. We have taken 0 minus 40. Now point number 4 to 5. Okay, point number 4 to 5. Point number 4 to 5 definitely 50. Okay, because we are always from origin पासूनच घेतोय. Okay, from distance here. Okay, definitely 50 distance will be there. Put on high distance 50. Okay, this distance will be 50. Is it right? For that purpose, point number 4 to 5, 50 minus 40. Okay, minus 40 is nothing but the distance from origin. This is nothing but minus 40. Hit the rock. Distance will be number 50 minus 40. Again, point number 46. Okay, point number 46. What will be the distance? Okay, definitely here. Will not here. Okay, but आपण आधी घेतलं की ते 50. Okay, 50 as it is राहणार. Okay, from origin. Okay, we are at 0.5, but here the x distance will be 50, and again horizontal distance in left is 60. Okay, 60. This 60 minus 60, but from origin this will be minus 100. Okay, 40 plus 60, definitely minus 100 will be there. Okay, for that purpose, the point number 50 minus 100. Okay, 50 minus 100. म्हणजे कुठपर्यंत आपण किता we reached here. Okay, now only now we have our okay म्हणजे our घेतली. Okay, आपण कुठे घेतला, we have to remove म्हणजे आपलं कटिंग ऑपरेशन फिनिश. म्हणजे आपण साइड प्रॉब्लेम होता आणि काय झालं पुन्हा only 5 mm distance we added. Again our minus आपण हे लागू करतो 7 नंबर म्हणता. Okay, हे डिस्टन्स काहीतरी 5 असेल. This distance will be 5. Okay, this distance will be 5. Again, remove our 2. म्हणजे हा 55 x 55 कुठं असं येतं. Okay, and 5 is nothing but 9. Okay, and our program is only tool table तयार झाला. Okay, हा टूल टेबल आहे असं कुठे घेतलं पण कुठे घेतलाय सिंपल मेथड आहे. कुठे आपण G0 बघा. G01 30 minus 40 30 minus 40 0 केला आपण कुठे क्लिक केला सॉरी याचा. ओके, G 30 minus 40 G30 म्हणजे दिस इज नथिंग बट 30 आणि minus 40 is nothing but 30 म्हणजे हे मटेरियल सगळं रिमूव्ह केला. ओके, what is the next position? What is the next interpolation? G50 and Z minus 40. G50 minus 40 is nothing but म्हणजे we have reached that point number 4. म्हणजे हा टेबल आहे, हा टेबल आपण आहे असं इथे घेतला. ओके, these values, okay, only these values 50 50 55 55. पॉईंट नंबर 4 पासून आपण काय केलं, फक्त हा आहे असं टेबल उचलून इथे इंटरपोलेशन मांडले. ओके, म्हणजे इट्स व्हेरी सिंपल. हे जर सांगितलं तुम्हाला, ओके, टू अंडरस्टँडिंग देयर विल बी व्हेरी सिंपल. एवढं झालं की आपला प्रॉब्लेम विल फिनिश. ओके, सेमीकोलन देऊन गेला तिथं. ओके, सो try to solve this problem today. Okay, try to solve this problem today. If any doubt is there, then we will take solve this problem again. Okay, again different types of problems are there. Okay, after completion of this problem, okay, we will continue. Okay. Any doubt is there? समजलंय बघा, मला सांगा. असं समजलं तरी आपण नंतर घेणार आहोत.
हॅलो सर. सर ते आत्ताच्या प्रॉब्लेमचं हे ग्रुपवर पाठवा की.
बोला की. हा,
आत्ताच्या आन्सर की पाठवा की सर ग्रुपवर. हा, आत्ताच्या प्रॉब्लेमचे.
ओके,
आता तुम्ही प्रॉब्लेम शिकवले ना त्याचं सोल्युशन.
ओके ओके ओके, लगेच मी पेस्ट करतो. हा, आणि पीपीटी मध्ये आहे आपल्या, तरी पण मी स्नॅपशॉट म्हणून तुम्हाला पाठवतो. बघा, हे थोडं तुम्ही काय करा, आता स्वतः वाचा. आपण जे डिस्कशन केलं आहे का ना आज, तर तुम्ही स्वतः बघा, मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल काय केलंय ते. ओके, आता हे जरा प्रेझेंट करायला थोडं अवघड जाते कॅमेरामुळे. ओके ना, दिस इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इझी, म्हणजे काही एवढं डिफिकल्ट नाही. जसे आपण पहिले प्रॉब्लेम सोडवले तसेच आहेत, फक्त स्टेप वाढले तिथे. ओके हा, आपण पुढच्या लेक्चरला अजून थोडा हे करू, प्रॉब्लेम कमी स्टेपचा प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ, म्हणजे लक्षात येईल. ओके, आता मी इथे डायरेक्ट मला प्रॉब्लेम तर भेटलाच नाही. पीपीटी चांगली वर्क झाली नसली म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम. ठीक आहे, पीपीटी मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम आहेत चांगले आपल्या. ओके, सो वी विल रिमूव्ह, sorry, we will resume at tomorrow. Okay, so try to solve this problem. Okay, I will give this problem, okay, and WhatsApp also. Okay, so try to solve this problem and understand also. Okay, and after that next lecture, whatever the difficulty will be there, okay, we will discuss that difficulty. Okay, so we will stop here. Okay, take a break for 15 minutes. Okay, so may I stop here? Thank you for attending this. Tomorrow we will meet again 1:30. Okay. Okay. So stop the recording.